Hi guys, today I'll be showing you guys how I take the blankets off my son's hair. Every time I braid his hair, he always ends up with blankets at the time that I need to take off his hair, which is like 3 weeks now. So I'm gonna be using that Annie's little brush, detangling brush, and this is how I am going to be taking the little blankets off of his hair. Basically, I have already unraveled this part. I'm just gonna show you guys how I'm gonna be brushing these blankets out of his hair, but I will show you guys how I start doing it. So basically I just start by unraveling the plait. Then after that I finger detangle with my fingers and kind of like spread the hair apart. Then I take the Annie's detangling brush and I just start brushing through the hair until like the blankets are out of his hair, and until I feel like okay, like enough blankets have been brushed out of his hair. So yeah, so this is how I do it for all my 3 boys. So basically I've already done the other boys, his 2 brothers. So I decided I was going to record his hair just to show you guys how I take the blankets out of their hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Alright guys, so this is the end of the video. So we are going to have this hairstyle until I'm ready to do their hair for the first day of school, which is coming up soon. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Subscribe to the channel for more videos to come. Thank you guys for all your support. I really appreciate each and every one of you. God bless. Bye.